Chevys rule. Screw this.
Hey, welcome back to Veteran Idiot. I'm Art. This is Seth. It's 115 degrees out here, and this little gem is broken bad. I'm trying to steal the engine out of this thing, but I got to get it home first, and that's about 30 miles from here, so we'll see if this thing can get us there. First problem we got is I got to switch out this battery. The battery dead, trying to crank it over from our cool little fuel system we got going over here. Clickety clackety pump's not working, so we gotta figure that out. Maybe I'll hang the gas tank from the ceiling. Also, captain's chair is nice. Yeah, I think it came with 4 others, but
it was pretty nice. It's a pretty comfortable ride on the way here.
Yeah, I don't believe him. But anyways, so she's a beaut, Clark. Tell you what. Okay, it's running. Got a weird little contraption going here with the clickety clackety, and up there. Let's see if we can't get it down the road a little bit to maybe an O'Reilly's or something, and see what else we need to replace. Did I tell you this thing is a gem? It's real nice. Well, I'm throwing in the towel. Had some issues. This guy couldn't keep it running. I think the power valve's bad on it, so you give it a little bit of gas, it dies. But that wasn't even the biggest issue. I was prepared to go buy a power valve and get everything fixed up, but Oscar kept stalling, and I think the fuel pump was maybe overheating or just dying completely, so I had to run him home and almost didn't make it. So I'm back with the actual tow truck, but I'm not going to tow it. I'm going to have this guy towed, so I'm throwing in the towel. I mean, it's worth it, right? Right? This is worth it. Right? Somebody say right. Somebody. Nobody's gonna say right. Real quick while we're waiting for the tow truck. Also, by the way, I just got a severe thunderstorm warning. So we'll see who gets here first. Let me take you on a little tour of my humble abode here. I'm not gonna go through the regular door, because why would you? Oh wait, because it's held together with a gate latch. Let's see what we got in here. I actually haven't walked around this thing yet, so this is a first for me as well. I like the lamp. I might keep that. Wonder what's in the inside. Oh, please don't have anything jump out at me. Oh, I don't know how they held that up there. Oh shoot. I don't know what this stuff is either. Not gonna touch anything. Gross. Oh, I'm not opening any of these cabinets. I don't care. Just not gonna do it. Oh, this thing is so hot right now. I hope it bakes anything. Ooh, that microwave looks good. Still not gonna use it. Oh, the fridge is gone? What? Ooh! Now why? Gross. Why would you put the coffee pot in the shower? That's the biggest question. There's a new loofah. Anybody wants that, I'll send it to them. Oh man, ooh, that is a house toilet. Oh boy. Just so it's clear, this is the last time I'm coming back into this area of the motorhome. I'm ripping the engine out of the front and never coming past the front doors ever again. So enjoy this tour. All right, what else we got in here? Oh, floor's a little soft, sinking in some areas. Don't worry about that. Is that the heater? No, fuse panel. Probably all still good. There is an opening to the outside right there. That rag is not moving by itself, and it's not being moved by bed bugs. Although it might. Ooh, skylight. Lots of little skylights. Oh man, this thing is just... Alright, I'm getting out of here. You're welcome for the tour, and I hope you saved that. Oh. about 3:50, 4 o'clock in the morning. She's back. Just so we can rip that thing out. Hopefully it's worth it. We'll see. We'll see in the morning though. I'm gonna get a couple hours of sleep and then drag it in the backyard. Well, it's been 4 hours. I slept in. Now we need to hook up the clickety-clack pump to this thing and back it into the driveway. I would just drag it back there, but the way my driveway is, it kind of veers around, so it'd be really hard to actually get this thing back where I need to get it. So we'll go ahead and hook up the clickety-clack pump, and then I'll actually back it down in there. I'm afraid to set this down anywhere. Just hold on to it. Left all my tools in a gas can out in the rain last night. That's neat. Alright, let's get this click-clack hooked up. I don't want to spend a whole lot of time inside this thing. I really don't know what's on the floor. Hopefully, if there's anything that creepies and crawlies, it was killed by the 140 million degree heat that we had recently. Don't know that we'll be that lucky. Alright. You are so beautiful. Huh. But you're also really ugly. Oh no, I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit this thing over this. It is 7,000% humidity since it rained last night. Good thing I'm staying hydrated. Oh my goodness. Question soon begins. Do I want to keep fighting this or just put another line on it? Keep fighting it. Yeah. Ow. You're almost home, guy. Just get in there. There you go. There you go. Oh, clampy poo. Exciting. Excuse me. A little groundage. And a little powerage. All right, let's see if she'll go. Oh, need the keys. Where's the keys? Where do I put the keys? What happened to the keys? No! The pump's pumping. Where's the keys? What? The devil? Well. Alright, well, let's turn this off. I don't even know. What the hell did I do with the keys? Strange. Be right back. There we go. Alright. See what we got. Oh, gotta plug this back in. Alright, pump it again. She's cold. That's what I'm going with. Cold. Oh, I don't want to sit on this floor. Get out of here, brake clean. I'm gonna back the float off a little bit. It seems like it's stuck. Maybe a little wrap. Oh, not even tight. I'll just fix this right now. It looks good. The threads are stripped out on this old feller. That sucks. It's not letting me adjust the float. All right, so I fired it up after I adjusted the floats. And the return was uncorked, so it was pouring out of the return. So now that we got the floats set correctly, it should be good. We'll see how it does right now. If it's returning all that it needs to return back rather than back into the carburetor. Oh yeah. Nope, not enough. Pouring out. What? Let's see what we got now. Oh my goodness. The float is full, my friend. All right, I think that's it. Still overflowing. Needs just a little bit more. Still coming up. All right, give her another shot. Hey, sorry to interrupt the progress, but wanted to let you know, went over to a friend's house and helped out my buddy Tackett at Tackett's House Horsepower. We threw on the body of his Chevelle onto the frame. He did a complete frame off rebuild with this thing and it was pretty slick. All of that's going to be on his channel over here, but here's a little snippet of what you might see.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, call
So like I said, a lot more of that's going to be over on his channel. Make sure you go ahead and check out that video. It's a good one. I'll link it in the description. Now let's get back to the fun. Well, we got nothing now. No fuel. There's no in between. Nada. All or nothing. That's it. Just the whole shebang. All right, we should be good to go. Plug in our pump. Back this thing in here. Oh, this is terrible. Can't see nothing out of that one. Good enough. All right. Come on, I just want to back up. Can I just back up? That's all I want to do is back up. These things are such vacuum nightmares. There's no way to tell what is leaking and what is not, just to back it up 10 feet. I don't know if it's running out of fuel, what the story is. Let's give it just a touch more fuel. The camera disappears. It's because it overheated. It's hot. You may have missed it because my camera overheated and died. But she's in the backyard. First walk around of her. She's nice. She's real nice. Spare tire holds there. No, it doesn't. This side looks pretty good other than the latch on the door. But she's up here. Time to start ripping this thing out of here and then sending this off to the crusher. Get rid of it. Is that a Snuggle Me blanket? sweet Mary, Mother, and Joseph, it's out. This big old hunk of iron here is about to make Earl either have a lot more power or just be way heavier. I think it's gonna be more power. We'll see. It ran really, really well once I got it fired up correctly with the right fuel pressure and the floats adjusted, so on and so forth. So I think it'll be a good engine. I'm gonna go inside before I die. Oh man, I'm not ready to pull all this stuff off of here. But I'll be happy to. All this vacuum lines, all this other crap over here, just wow. They did a lot of special stuff in the 80s and 90s with the smog and all this. This thing had not one smog pump, but 2 smog pumps nestled in here and here. And then over here is the AC compressor. We'll throw that back on later, but couldn't believe it. 2 smog pumps on this bad boy. But anyways, that's going to do it for this episode. Make sure you stay tuned for the next couple episodes where we get this thing cleaned up, dressed up, and thrown into our little flatbed Ford out there. And take that 240 out, and I might sell it. I might keep it and throw it in a different project. Who knows? I don't know. We'll see what we got. It still runs pretty good, but just needs some big block power. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you really like this episode, make sure you go down and click on that super thanks and send over a donation. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. As always, have fun.